Bueno, bueno, bueno.
Yeah, you know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right?
I know.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's up, CJ?
What's up? What's up, man? Wanna go to prison?
What?
Nah, pick up Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll?
Yeah, for sure. What Jeffrey doing locked up anyway?
We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll. We're late.
Good to hang with you, brother. I'm sorry I can get a little tense.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, it ain't Jeffrey no more. It's OG Loc.
OG Loc.
Oh, yeah, he's a real gangster now.
I see. And what do he do?
Anything he can get thrown in jail for his career, joyriding, parking fines, or some other bullshit.
Man, you gotta ease
Put
up
that on
some.
the hood, homie.
Hey, there that fool go.
Look at this fool, man. Perpetrating like he banging.
Think he hard. Look at him.
Boy, I tell you.
I know that fool can't be serious.
Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey?
Hey, man, it's OG Loc, homie. OG Loc.
My bad. How was it, though, homie?
Man, what you think? How was it?
Hey, chill out, dude. So what you want to do now?
Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man.
Hey, Jeff. I thought you was going to, college.
Man, fuck you. Motherfucker done stole my rhymes. He's in East Flores. Hey, give me a strap.
Man, why don't you stall us out with that shit to get in the car? Fool.
What's your plan, big gangster? Now you a free man and all.
Man, I ain't free. Slap a roll off with the line me up with a job.
Motherfucker always trying to keep a player down.
You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'ma be a hygiene technician.
Coming up in the world, huh?
Just a stepping stone to greatness. Man, this is the spot.
Ain't this Vago's hood?
Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangster.
Come on, let's leave Loc to deal with Casanova.
Hey, I'll stick with Loc.
Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back on the set.
Freddy, I've come for you, you motherfucker.
Hey, Loc, hold up.
Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
Man, ignore him. CJ, I don't know what he talking about. Hey, yo, give me back my rhymes, you thief. I'm gangster.
You dropped the soap, sugar. I don't know nothing about any rhymes.
Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it.
Ah, esta misión también me gustaba mucho.
Hey, Loc, get back here, nigga. You crazy.
A ver, a
Hey, yo.
ver.
Ooh, chase me, chase me!
Pues, ya está, ya choqué. No, no. Vaya hostia.
What?
I like the fast ass, not the slow ass.
Dios.
I thought you were king, Cupid. Catch me if you can.
No puede ser, tío. Hasta los huevos. Salud máxima.
Yoo-hoo, over here. Hooey, Jeffrey.
That's the vault. That's the vault. Right there, that rigger there. Yeah. That's the vault.
Don't hide in the bathroom. Show your stats for everyone, baby.
This is the party.
This the
You know I love the thrill of the chase.
Claro, bueno, increíble, increíble. Por favor.
I
Let's put
said,
on the
where
motor.
are you from?
Back your ass on up and get some of this here. And you
Hey,
don't need
baby,
to do what you
move
think
those
is right.
sweet
Get
cheeks.
fucked up right now.
Gotta show a little bit more enthusiasm, darling. He's broken my heart. Get him, boys.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yo, I would kill that loudmouth motherfucker. Your ass is mine. Oh, no, no, no. I didn't mean it like that. DJ, help me out here. You know you fucking with... Don't you say a damn thing, CJ.
Was you lonely, low? Hey, I like a nice mustache myself.
I keep it real, unlike you fake-ass motherfuckers.
Come on, gangster. Let's get back to the Grove.
Nah, I can't. I gotta go and sign in for this damn job.
Whatever you want. You want to ride anyway?
Sure thing. Let's roll. Hey, take me to the burger shop in Marona Beach.
You're the boss.
Cause I'm keen with the hygiene on a mission like a super technician, baby.
Okay, Holmes, don't hurt me.
Sube, 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 sube.
Get on with that shit, man. Look at you. All muscly and shit.
Man, I got 17s on the head.
You could have did that out here.
Because I did it in the joint, it's real
Yeah,
now.
I guess it is. Gangster.
fat one, yo. I'm under the influence of...
Party ships crashed in.
This is the party. Party on roots.
San Andreas just can't get enough of the Glory Hole theme park. It's the place for magic and adventure.
Thanks for the ride, CJ. Don't be a stranger, fool.
Yeah, for sure. I'll see you around.
Like a £25. Later.